Hello everybody, it's Angus here, and as you can see on my screen today we're going to be going over how to create a graphic organizer. So the first step of creating a graphic organizer is you want to find out what your main idea or main topic is. So in this case we'll say the main topic is farm animals, and we're going to drag that and we're going to put that right in the center of the page like you see here. And then, so you have your big idea, today is farm animals, and you're going to split it off into two smaller ideas, or two subcategories. So for farm animals, we can say cows and we can say pigs. After you do that and have your two subcategories, you then want to get at least 3 supporting details. It can be more. So that'd be something such as cows make milk and pigs make bacon, and both cows and pigs live on a farm. So as you can see with these arrows I'm drawing, they all interconnect with each other, and then those 3 supporting details connect with the 2 subcategories, and the 2 subcategories connect with the big idea. So of course then the most important thing is to remember just to organize your thoughts with your structure. Structures such as graphic organizers are a great way to make sure everything's where it needs to be, and it'll help you organize your work for when you're writing a paper or doing a project. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.